Are you tired of boring generic confirmation pages that make your brand look forgettable? Imagine turning that dull moment into an unforgettable brand experience, one that your customers will actually remember and love. I'm Eric from Strategic Gmail. I'm going to be diving into one of the most overlooked opportunities in email marketing, your Convertkit subscription confirmation page. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform that standard bland page into a powerful branding tool that boosts engagement and drives conversions. First things first, your ConvertKit subscription confirmation page is what subscribers see after they confirm their email address. This page is critical. It's the first interaction with your brand after they opt in, and it sets the tone for your entire relationship. Instead of the standard, "Thanks for subscribing" message, we're going to create something that reflects your brand's personality, provides value, and keeps your subscribers excited for what's next. Let's jump into the fun part, customizing the page. So we're here at the ConvertKit homepage. We're going to click on Grow, and then we're going to click on Landing Pages and Forms. If you already have a landing page set up, what you can do is you can scroll down, click on these three dots, and then click on edit. We're going to assume that you don't have a landing page set up yet. So what you can do is you can go to create new. I'm going to go ahead and choose a landing page, and then you can filter by category on the left-hand side. Let's go ahead and choose a newsletter. I'm going to choose this one right here, Cypress. Once you're in the edit section, you can click on add page. That's going to bring up your thank you page. Before we edit the thank you page, I'm actually going to edit the landing page itself just to call it something else. I'm going to call this Strategic landing page and then thank you page. So here it says thank you for signing up and then this Latin text. Now that we're ready to edit the thank you page, I'm going to edit the headline. I'm going to say thanks for being strategic because that's part of my branding. I can put my logo here, which actually let's go ahead and do that. And the way we do that is we click on this picture here, and then in image settings, it's going to say choose an image. I'm going to click on choose an image, and I'm going to upload my brand picture. There we go. Now that I have my picture set up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say follow me on X here. And then I'm going to put a link to my x.com account here. I'm also going to say sign up for one-on-one consulting. I'm going to put a link to my form. And you can put really whatever you want here. If you have more social media, you can put it here. If you have a specific lead magnet that you're working on, you can put that here. Basically, you can put whatever you like in this. But the important part is that this is what people who subscribe to your email will see once they subscribe. Once everything looks good and this aligns with your brand, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make sure that this is what my subscribers will see once they click the subscribe button. The way we do that is we click on settings in the upper right-hand corner. In this general tab, we're going to click on redirect to thank you page. Click on save. And now the thank you page will show up once your customers click subscribe. Now you can click save and you can click publish and the thank you page will come up when your customers click subscribe. What we can do is we can save and then we can go ahead and publish. And now it should be live and ready to go. Now that you've got a stunning confirmation page, let's talk about optimization. Every element on the page should serve a purpose, whether it's encouraging a social media follow, promoting a lead magnet, or driving traffic to your website. Strategically place your calls to action that align with your marketing goals. For example, you might want to have a discount code for your products or direct them to a high value piece of content that deepens their engagement with your brand. The work doesn't stop once your page is live. Use ConvertKit's analytics to track performance. Look at metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates. A/B test different headlines, calls to action placement, and even page layouts to see which resonates best with your audience. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process. Keep testing and refining until you hit the sweet spot where your confirmation page not only looks great, but also drives real result. If you found this video helpful, Click the link in the video description down below to sign up for my free email newsletter, where I send tips, tricks, and other email marketing strategies just like this one to help you boost your conversions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.